Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aura Fatiata Rizky with study number D50021 4127, and I'm from group 52 with supervisor Mr. Agung Sugiarto. In this video, I want to present about my proposal research with title Removal of Heavy Metals from Batik Textile Waste Using the Absorption Method with Activated Charcoal. Almost all sectors of human activity produce waste, both solid waste and liquid waste. This waste will ultimately be disposed of back into the surrounding environment. Ecosystems that have been maintained in nature will eventually be polluted by waste resulting from human activities, and this will not have a good impact on the environment. One of the waste that is often produced from industrial processing is dye waste, which is commonly used in the textile, paper, plastic, and other industries which contain dangerous chemicals in high concentration which have an impact on the environment and health. Processing liquid waste before being discharged into the environment is very necessary to maintain the sustainability and health of the environment around the industry. The resulting waste can be directly disposed of into the environment without treatment, as long as it meets environmentally safe water quality criteria. There are several reasons behind this research being carried out. The first one is batik waste that contain heavy metals is disposed into the environment without treatment. The second, there are still many batik industries that do not have their own wastewater treatment plants, or we can call IPAL. And the third, disposal of batik waste, which causes pollution and damages environmental health. The state of the art in this research, the first one is the attractiveness of Lawean Batik Village comes from the traditional batik producing process and a natural environment in the river zone. The second is about batik textile waste usually discharged without being treated that contain a synthetic chemical substance with high COD or chemical oxygen demand and BOD or biological oxygen demand values. The third, a lack of wastewater treatment plant, or we can call IPAL, is one of the reasons why wastewater from the batik industry is frequently discharged without treatment into the environment. The formulation of problem in this research is how to reduce the heavy metal contents in textile waste from the batik industry, and testing how much activated charcoal content is needed to remove heavy metal contained in processing batik textile liquid waste. So the purposes of this research is to determine the design of wastewater treatment plants, or IPAL, that is suitable for the home batik industry, and also to determine the design of an absorber tools that can use for heavy metal removal in processing textile waste. In this research, we use bamboo charcoal, which will be activated by sulfuric acid and then used as an absorber. This is the diagram of stages that we will use in this research. The first stage is apparatus and material preparation. The second is making of bamboo charcoal. The third is adsorbent pretreatment, which is activating bamboo charcoal. The fourth is analysis of heavy metal content before research. And the fifth, adsorption process using activated bamboo charcoal. And the sixth stage is analysis of heavy metal content after research. Actually, in the final stage of this research is for preparation for the report of result research. In this research, we use two variables. The first one is independent variable, which is the level of adsorbent used in this research. And the second is an dependent variable, which is the level of heavy metal content in batik textile waste. This is for research schedule. This research is estimated to take 2 months, which is the first week of the first month is for preparation of apparatus and materials. The second week of the first month is for making of bamboo charcoal, and the third of the week of the first month is for activating bamboo charcoal, and the fourth weeks of the first month is for analysis of heavy metal content before research and also adsorption process using activated bamboo charcoal. And then in the first week of the second month is for analysis of heavy metal content after the research. And the second and the third and the fourth weeks of the second month is for preparation of research result report. Okay, so that's all for my presentation about proposal research today. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.